Hey everybody, this is Gordon from Pinehurst on Providence Apartments. Today we're going to do a virtual walkthrough of one of our 3-bedroom townhomes. Now this is a 2-story townhome, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,570 square feet. You're going to see this floor plan is great for storage and great for entertaining. So come on, take a look. All of our 3-bedroom townhomes do have their own private walk-up here. You have your mailbox right out front. All your packages are going to come delivered directly to your door. And welcome to your new home here. So as you can see in the living area, you have a ton of space here. You have a big couch, a big TV, you can throw it on this wall over here. So you have a ton of space in here, and a lot of natural light coming in through the window really brightens this room. You also have 5 outlets all around as well for all of your electronics, everything you need set up. All right, now we're gonna come in. This can be a really good kind of hybrid dining room or an office space here. So you have this big room off to the side from the kitchen, and I love how you have the patio right out here. So if you were working from home, you could set up your desk right here, leave the screen door closed there, and just kind of listen to nature. It's very serene. Then of course you have your huge patio out here, and tall fencing, so it's nice and private too. But you could definitely set up a bunch of chairs and tables. Like I said, this spot is great for entertaining. Now we're gonna come into the kitchen here. So you'll see we have upgraded stainless steel GE appliances, including the smooth electric stovetop. You have your dishwasher, refrigerator, freezer with an ice maker, plenty of storage inside. Look at how big this space is. 3 shelves in the door. And then you also have a dual compartment sink here, and plenty of cabinetry space as well. And the really cool thing about this kitchen is you actually have a lot of space over here. So if you already have your dining room table set up, you can kind of make this an open air pantry here. You can put like a cute little bar top right over here, have a nice little happy hour. So yeah, a lot of options in this kitchen here. And now coming over here, you're gonna have a guest bathroom downstairs, and through here is basically an entire storage unit in here. So you don't have to worry about renting a storage unit anywhere. You have one built in to your home here. And then also right next door to us here, you're gonna have another storage space. So maybe if you wanted to keep your pantry behind the door, you could use this space for that. Store your holiday gear, anything like that. And now, as we come back this way, before we head upstairs, I have one more closet to show you here. So right by the entranceway, you do have a nice wide coat closet here too. All right, now we're gonna head on upstairs. So we're gonna have all 3 bedrooms and your 2 full bathrooms upstairs. So first is gonna be the smallest of the 3 bedrooms. If you wanted to use downstairs more for a dining space, you could set up an office up here. You have plenty of room to get a desk with a chair. Even a nice little sleeper bed would fit in here with all that as well. Now you do have a full bathroom out here in the hallway. Nicely tiled for the shower there. And then you also have this big linen closet here as well. This one is gonna be the second of the 3 bedrooms up here. So a lot of space in here. If you want to throw a queen size bed, you would definitely be able to make that fit. Nice big closet space as well. And all of our bedrooms do come ceiling fan, overhead lighting included too. You know, in the sweltering summertime, you're gonna need that for sure. All right, and last but not least, you have your master bedroom here. So a nice big open room. And you're going to have closet number 1 right over here. And you are gonna have your master bathroom attached to this room as well. Before we head in there, you actually have another closet space here. And then master bathroom, your vanity, and again, nicely tiled here for your shower. And then one more linen closet here as well. Like I said, no lack of storage space here. All right, now, so for those of you playing at home, you probably counted 9 total closets here. Well, outside in our washer and dryer closet, that makes a total of 10. So come on, take a tour, find out why Pinehurst on Providence is the best place to be your next home. Until next time.